ka-friendship, welcome again sa aking munting kusina. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng spiral potato fries. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Okay ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 8 pirasong patatas. Bali boiled na siya ka-friendship. Meron tayo ditong isang itlog, 3 kutsarang cornstarch, 3 kutsarang milk, and of course nagamit tayo ng cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do next ka-friendship is babalatan natin ang ating patatas. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Ka-friendship, ang nabalatan nating patatas, hiniwa ko siya sa maliliit para hindi tayo mahirapang magdurog sa kanya. So, next ka-friendship is imamash natin ang ating patatas. I-mash lang natin mabuti ka-friendship hanggang sa madurog ang ating nilagang patatas. So, ayan na po ka-friendship, na-mash na natin ang ating patatas. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin ang ating cornstarch, ating milk. So, and then ang ating itlog. So ayan, mix na rin natin ang ating itlog. And then, give a good mix ka-friendship hanggang sa totally na mag-incorporate ang ating lahat ng ingredients. I-season natin ng salt and pepper. And then i-mix natin ulit. Ayan na po ang ating mixture ka-friendship. So what we are going to do next is ilalagay natin siya sa piping bag. Yan na po ang ating mixture ka-friendship na ipasok na natin siya sa piping bag. So, ready for prito na siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, what we're going to do next is sa isang preheated pan, maglagay tayo ng generous amount of cooking oil. So, ayan, painitin lang natin siya ka-friendship. Yan na po, mainit na siya ka-friendship. So, ilagay na natin ang ating mixture. So, ayan na po. Hintayin na lang natin hanggang sa mag-golden brown yung ating mixture. Friendship, may niluto na tayo. So, what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa pan and then ilagay natin sa isang wire rack to remove the excess oil. So, ayan. And, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa natira pa nating mixture. Ayan na po ka-friendship ang ating spiral potato fries. Okay, ready for serving na siya. Ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating spiral potato fries. Okay, so best serve siya with sausawan or dipping sauce. Ang aking dipping sauce ka-friendship ay ketchup at saka mayonnaise. So pwede rin kayong gumawa ng any na gusto ninyo na dipping sauce ka-friendship. Kanya-kanyang trip yan. Okay? So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating spiral potato fries for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember, the struggle you're in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all.